Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find FedEx job online. So first you open your browser. In the search bar you type find FedEx jobs, and here you will find some websites. We are going to use this one, and here you will find this. So you can find the jobs either by location or by titles. So for example, for us we are going to use the location. Let's type New York, for example, state USA, and research. And here we will find all the available jobs. You can see here, you can sort them by distance or most recent or the job title. And for example, let's choose this one. So we click on it. And here we will see the description of this job, the essential function, the qualification, the working condition, the salary, the time, and etc. If you want to apply for this job, just click on apply. You will have this one, more description and more information about the job. You just click on chat to apply, and here you will chat with this AI. It's going to ask you, for example, about your name, about your qualification, and so on. And just like this, you have applied for that job. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.